Hello everyone, I'm Jessie from KEOU Lighting. Today I want to introduce the die casting workshop to you. The first step is the cold chamber die casting machine. The process is we put the raw material aluminum into the machine. After high temperature die casting, the lamp body molded. This is one of the process. Okay, let's go to the next steps. Okay, here is the automatic polishing process. Usually, we will have a strict quality control during the production. Here is another process of die casting, the automatic drilling. If you want to know more details about the LED lighting information, welcome to follow our social media or contact our salesperson. Bye-bye.